What's up, car enthusiasts? If you love speed, precision engineering, and the roar of an engine that makes you feel alive, then you know European sports cars are in a league of their own. Today, we're diving into the best European sports cars you can buy right here in America. From iconic Porsches to sleek BMWs, we've got something for every speed freak out there. Stick around till the end because we're covering the most exciting models you won't want to miss. In America, you can pick up a Porsche 911 starting from around $100,000 for the Carrera, but the more powerful models like the Turbo S can set you back well over $200,000. And trust me, every penny feels worth it when you hear that signature flat 6-engine roar. What makes the 911 stand out isn't just its top speed, it's the way it glides through corners with surgical precision. It's fast, it's luxurious, and it's a car you can take to the track and still drive daily. That's why it's an icon that continues to dominate. Next up, we have the BMW M4, a beast of a machine that brings the thrill of a high-performance sports car with the practicality of a daily driver. Whether you go for the competition model or the standard M4, you're looking at a car that's built for pure excitement. The 2021 model features an inline 6-engine that pumps out a mind-blowing 503 horsepower in the competition trim. And here's the kicker, it comes with either rear-wheel drive or xDrive all-wheel drive, so no matter the weather, you can still tear up the pavement. With prices starting around $75,000. The M4 is a steal for the performance you're getting. It's a car that gives you speed and agility, while still offering the luxury and tech that makes driving it a premium experience. And if you're a fan of manual transmissions, BMW still has you covered. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more supercar flair, the Audi R8 is your go-to. This car screams performance and style, packing a naturally aspirated V10 engine that delivers up to 602 horsepower in the R8 performance model. The R8 combines the power of a supercar with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, making it a force to be reckoned with on any road. With its lightning-fast acceleration and rock-solid handling, the R8 brings supercar performance to your everyday commute. $150,000. The Audi R8 gives you the thrill of a supercar without the daily impracticalities. Whether you're hitting the track or driving down the boulevard, the R8 makes every drive feel like an event. If you love Italian flair, but still need a 4-door that's family-friendly, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio is the perfect balance. This isn't your typical sedan, it's a high-performance beast that packs a 2.9-litre V6 with 505 horsepower, built with the soul of a Ferrari. The Giulia Quadrifoglio offers rear-wheel drive, precise steering, and one of the most engaging driving experiences you can get in a 4-door car. And the best part? It's not just about speed, this car is packed with luxury features and Italian styling that's second to none. With prices starting around $75,000. The Giulia Quadrifoglio delivers the performance of a European sports car, but with the added practicality of a 4-door sedan. So, if you're looking for a car that's both thrilling and family-friendly, this is a solid contender. And for those who want to experience raw, lightweight performance, the new Lotus Emira is one to watch out for. As one of the final gas-powered cars from Lotus before they switched to electric, the Emira carries the torch for driver-focused sports cars. Powered by either a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder or a 3.5-litre V6, the Emira delivers an agile driving experience thanks to its lightweight chassis. It's the perfect car for purists who love the connection between car and driver. With prices starting at around $75,000. The Lotus Emira is a track weapon that still offers everyday usability. It's not the fastest car on the list, but it delivers that pure, visceral driving experience Lotus is known for. There you have it, the best European sports cars you can buy right here in America. From the legendary Porsche 911 to the high-octane thrills of the Audi R8. These cars bring the best of European engineering to US roads. Which one's got you dreaming of your next drive? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car content coming your way. Until next time, keep chasing the perfect drive.